Kevin! It's nighttime, not honk time.
Come on. Now you're walking all over it. Yep, and you're jumping on it. Can you guys get off my car?
Hi, beautiful.
Oh my God, Mom.
Hi.
It's a peacock. It's so beautiful.
Oh!
Oh, watch out, Jack. Oh, watch out.
Bro, if y'all don't get y'all's ass out the street, I'm... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I didn't even know y'all... Oh, shit. I didn't even know y'all made noises like that.